lovey. They have it everywhere by me. Every store has it. Walmart, Mexican grocery stores. I don't know why I waited so long. I think I was just lazy to jammer. Hair. There's probably a hair. Keep a lookout. I have chronic illness and I lose hair, so. Oh, that smelled so good. I love Ariel. Hey, Legacy. If you're new here, tap that follow button for more cat meowing in your earballs. Appreciate everyone for hanging out and vibing. Hey, man. Are you in India already? Me? Thank you, Kay. I appreciate that because this is my first time playing with colored powder, technically. Oh wait, no, I've used Sarah's. Forgot. I guess I meant my own. She's in Dubai. Amazing. I watch so many YouTubers who live in the Middle East. I want to go. No, this is just Blanca mixed with some pigments I got from Amazon. I'm not gonna make a comment about Dubai chocolate because I bet everyone has said that to you. But I guess I just said it. Oopsie. What's the weather like there? Is it hot already? Blanca smells good. Blanca is like more in babyland. Bye. Safe travels. She's going to India. So cool. Oh. She went from Texas back home. Nothing's worse than getting on a plane and someone good gets on live and your service starts to get real shitty and you can't watch it. The worst. I'll download people's YouTube videos to be offline to watch during plane rides because I'm that insane. So. I think this was Tips powder I turned purple. Ooh. a little messy. Hey, see that? So big. Yes, Tiff. You're like holding the phone at a weird angle. I hate those privacy screens. I feel like they make me blind. The ones where if you like turn your phone, it turns black. Yeah, be same. Okay, wait, something I forgot to talk about. Can we talk about how many dang people were on live today? And I was friggin' directing a photo shoot. I can't be walking around with my face in my phone. That was rude. We need a better scheduling system. Every time I opened my phone, there was more people. I was like, like, what's going on? I love it, but oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. I went on V's, and like at one point she was in a stock tank, and then I went back and she was in a tote. I was like, what's happening? Exactly. Everyone or no one? Literally, Danny. I'm like, if you see my name has entered your chat every 30 seconds, no, you didn't. Nights is normal. Daytime doesn't feel normal to have that many people on. But that's a good problem to have, I guess. So, I mean, I'll take it. Last weekend I went antiquing near the beach, and then after I grabbed dinner and watched the sunset on the beach. It was relaxing. I have no time to myself during the week because I get home so late and then I'm like just already in bed. So on the weekends I like to try to not be home, get out. I guess Tiff, you would know where it is. I go to Long Beach a lot. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, this is just laundry. This is my, what's that kind of dinner called where it's like what's in the kitchen sink, or I don't know what the heck it's called. Everything but the kitchen sink? Oh, I think that's what it is. This is everything but the Comet because I didn't restock for ish. True that, Jules. I don't love celebrating myself. On my birthday, I send my mom flowers and say thank you for birthing me. I always thought it was weird that we're the celebrated ones. I'm like, she pushed me out. Oh, I'm saying. Because Mother's Day is like everyone's celebrating, but a birthday, it's like she was the one up in the hospital. Oh, that's cute. Sponge jar. Ooh, this is nice. My mom and I like don't have the best relationship ever, but I think we both know we would rather have each other in our lives. But we're not really the type of people that like talk every day, or I don't know. Like I know there's people who like talk to their mom every day or whatever, but we've also gotten a lot closer since my dad passed, because now she's alone, you know? So I try to contact her now more, like every day. V. Okay, but doesn't it make sense, V? Come on. The kid did nothing, they just shot out. Literally, Jules. Yeah, Valentine's Day is actually my parents' wedding anniversary, and my mom, you know, obviously is going through grief. So she booked us like a family cruise to go on to like basically do a family trip instead every year to like celebrate their anniversary. And then my brother fell and broke his knee everywhere you could and had to get surgery, so it got canceled. It was next week. I was gonna be in Mexico. Ding dong, broke his leg snowboarding. Shay. You know what, cat? I might have a little dish soap left, actually. Let's see. Yeah, okay, yeah, yes. She is gonna drive me crazy. She is ready for bed. What time is it? Oh, it's bedtime. She sleeps all day and then I come home and she just wants to sleep more. This was a fun, miscellaneous, sporadic live. I love your username. Here for the sponge. Good night, Kira. Ooh, this is nice. I think my thing is skipping, so sorry if it is. All right, feel free to go about your scrolling ways. I'm just gonna get my stuff.